To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Remove the cowling panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1103 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Fold the filter down and tuck it into the bottom rails. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Close the hood.